Hey, what's going on everyone? Today's video I'm going to show you how to connect the i12 TWS AirPods with an iPhone 11. And of course, should work the same for the 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max. So my iPhone 11 here. And basically make sure these guys are fully charged and that both of them are charged. Okay, you will know if they're both charging when you have them both in the case. You'll see them light up in red. Now, when you open up the case lid, one side should enter into pairing mode. You will see it blinking in blue and red, as you can see right now. That means you're on the right step right now, and it's in the pairing state. And with that said and done, keep the case lid open because that's going to keep it in pairing mode. And then we'll go into our main settings on our iPhone 11. We'll just go into the gear icon here. And then we'll go to where it says Bluetooth. I'll just tap on that one time and just turn that on. And then it's going to start searching for nearby capable Bluetooth devices. Okay, so as you turn it on, it'll start searching, and then you'll see the pop-up animation. You'll see AirPods, just press connect, but it's going to show up as i12 once it's fully connected. Sorry about that. Don't get too excited. I got excited when that happened. But yes, it's going to show up as i12 because that's the real product of the i12, the real i12 here. And once it shows you that, just press done, and it means you're fully connected and you're good to go. And just one thing to keep in mind, when you're doing this pairing process, and if it doesn't show the pop-up animation and it shows two i12s, go ahead and run the process again, because then it means they're both in pairing mode and you want only one to be in pairing mode. So like, share, and sub, turn on notifications if you're new to my channel, and thanks for watching. See ya!